Oh, Kevin, it's Mark again. So as I was shutting down the AutoCAD, I realized I had forgotten to go over this particular drawing. And so what's going on here is that when I get to planning and zoning, I'm a little concerned about this number. It's residential projects you can usually get within 5 feet, and some projects in town where we're really building to building, there's zero is just fine. But I need to find out for out here in this area what the zoning is and what that minimum distance can be. So just wanted to kind of point that out. And then, um, so what this is a handwritten 200 feet to match your what you had given me for this dimension. So if I look at the properties of that, what it is, it says the changes that I made. If I can find them, there, 200 feet in those brackets, like you see right to the right of this where I'm pointing. But then you see these, the greater than, less than, and that symbol creates AutoCAD generating an automatic dimension. And it's just what happens when I just dimension things. So all these are automatic, and I know they're automatic because they don't have these square brackets. That's to let me know that I made a change, but until we're ready to submit, I keep the actuals sitting there as well. So you'll notice this one's a little different. You'll notice that this one's a little different, and this one's a little different. So when I turn in plans, I don't show fractions of an inch on a site plan. It's just kind of obnoxious, you know. So, but I just wanted you to see how this was, and especially this area here where our challenges might be. And I did close the floor plan already, but I took your dimensions. I believe this, well, this is 12 feet here. I think this one's 15. And I made those to the stud wall. So when I show this in its reality footprint, it will be sticking out whatever insulation values we have. So this would probably be just the standard 1 inch and 7/16, and this will be much greater unless we're going to do something about where this transition is. Here, it's an inside corner, so nobody will ever see that transition. So, just the talking points, and I now have 2 recordings to give you. So I've taken up almost 20 minutes of your time, but it should make our conversation much easier. Thanks, Kevin. I'll talk to you tomorrow.